Hi there, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin here with another video tutorial for you guys today. And today we're going to be focusing on the Everything is Rosy product bundle. Is it? No, product something. Product medley. That's what they call it. And this comes with a lot of papers and some ribbons and some die cuts and some different things. And it also has a coordinating thinlits dies. That goes right there, goes with it. And I have been playing with this card, with this set, because the customers that have purchased this through me, we will be having a private class together. And so I've been creating cards using just the items in the product medley to make it a little bit easier. And this is one of the cards I created. I was just playing around with last night, kind of, but it's okay. But I love the sketch of this. And over on, let me back up a minute. I had a group, Facebook group for sketches that I was doing with my team. And we were only doing it for like 12 months. And then I kind of let it go. I didn't really do anything with it because it was another Facebook group. And I've been looking for inspiration on sketches and different things like that. And so I thought, and then, I don't know, I think something came up or something on that group. So I thought, oh, why don't I just revive that? So that's what I've done. So I created a sketch based off this card, and I posted it on my Facebook group. And I'm going to bring it up real quick and show you. Get my iPad out here. And I'm just going to show you real quick. Here it is right here. So this is it's called Spot a Sketch Card, Spot a Sketch Card Sketches by Ladybug Stampin. I think is what it says. But you can find it like this. And so I put the sketch on here. And so I wanted everybody to kind of go out there and, play with it if they wanted to. I know we're always looking for sketches or inspiration to create a card. And so this is what we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to bring this up so you can see a little bit bigger. And this is the sketch right here. So it matches my card that I created. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use the Everything is Rosy set because I want to show you that you can use it besides what's in the product medley. And so we're actually going to be using some DSP from the Occasions catalog that will be retiring. And I'm pretty sure this is still available. I'm trying to get the paper. It's called All My Love Designer Series paper. And it's got some gorgeous papers in it. And so I decided to use that. And then the colors I decided to use were what was in here. We got Flirty Flamingo, Crumb Cake, Lovely Lipstick. And then I've added Seafoam, soft Seafoam for my colors for this card. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And we'll start with our stamping. Let's go here. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to get out the soft Seafoam. And then I'm going to get out this stamp. We're going to get out this one right here, the leaf one. Okay. And we're going to stamp in the soft Seafoam, but I want to stamp off, and then I'm going to stamp on here because I don't want it to be too strong. I just want it to kind of be light out there because I'm actually going to be using some different leaves. Okay. So I'm just going to stamp off and stamp on and stamp off. Okay, just something really light like that. And put this up. Okay. And then on here, we're going to do some stamping. And we are going to get out our flower here and stamp with this one. And then we need this little bitty flower that goes inside. And then these little like seed dots inside. And also we will be needing this leaf. I do need the soft Seafoam one more time. All right, let's open this back up then. I wasn't done with it yet. We're going to use this leaf and stamp it in soft Seafoam. We're going to stamp it on some soft Seafoam cardstock. So it looks like that. And that'll lighten up a little bit as it dries. Okay. And then on here, we're going to stamp first with Flirty Flamingo. And we're going to stamp the big flower in the Flirty Flamingo. Okay. I think that's it for that. Oh no, I do need one more thing on that. All right, then I'm going to stamp, hold this out for just a second. Then we're going to stamp this little bitty flower in what is Lovely Lipstick. And I'm going to just put this right here. Okay. And then we are going to, I did use Crumb Cake for these little seed dots things, but it didn't show up. So I went ahead and got Tuxedo Black out. And I just went in the middle like that, and it showed up a little bit better. Okay. And then we're going to use Flirty Flamingo for our sentiment. And we're going to be using the May Your Birthday Be Filled with Pretty Things. Oh, because I like pretty things. Do you like pretty things? I know I do. Okay, let's not get that on there. And then we're going to take our stamp, put it up right side up. And we're going to stamp it in the middle like that. Okay, we'll put that up. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is I can go ahead and I got my 2 punches out here. I need a 1 3/4 punch, circle punch. Now this punch is retiring. It is still available if you'd like it. And we're going to punch out the sentiment real quick. I got ink on, yeah, I got ink all over my fingers. Yeah, I've been crafting today. Punch that out. All right, and then we're going to use some crumb cake. I'm going to be using our 2-inch circle punch. You could also use the framelit dies. Okay, that right there. And then for these 3 things, we're going to get out our thinlits. Look at all those thinlits that come with this set. And we're going to put our big flower right here, this one right here, and this big leaf, these leaves right here. Now let me give you little pointers. With this, you do have to line it up. Just kind of look for the tallest little spike on this, is what I say. And I just keep turning it until I kind of find it. I look for the little bumps right here to kind of figure out, oh, there it goes right there. That's got the most bumps. So you can kind of tell with your framelits where it goes. All right, and then put the leaf on here. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in my die cutting machine. I'll run it through and I'll be right back. I've cut my dies, or my images, using the thinlit dies. So I'm going to put that over here to the side for just a second. And then I'm going to go ahead and get out our snail. Or you can use, you know, any kind of adhesive that you have. I'm going to use this for right now. And I'm going to adhere my sentiment onto the crumb cake. And then I'm actually going to get out some dimensionals. Let's see. And put on the back here. We're just going to put 3. We're going to go ahead and put them on there. Because I'm also going to come over here with these dies right here. And get out one of our little mini ones. I just had it on me. Okay, I don't want to use a fresh sheet when I have a whole bunch of little ones right here next to me. Okay, and we're going to take this off. And we're going to put this on top. And you can line this up. I'm trying to figure out where it goes. But if you don't, if it doesn't line up, it's okay. So it gives a little bit of dimension. All right, we're going to put these right here. I don't think I'm going to put this on dimensions. And then we're going to take our card base. And this is crumb cake. Whoops. This is crumb cake, and it's cut at 11 by 4 1/4. You're going to fold in half, or you're going to score it at 5 1/2. Easier for me just to fold it over. Okay, and then we're going to take our DSP, and I have this lovely paper. And I picked this out because it kind of looks like the flowers on here, but it's a whole bunch of them, so it doesn't like really stick out that the flowers don't match. But it's okay, you can still use it. Look at the other side, isn't that gorgeous? So we're going to take this, and we're going to go ahead and put it right onto our card base. I'm not using a mat for this. I just liked it without a mat. Sometimes you can do that. And this is cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Okay. And then we've got this piece right here, and this is cut at, the Whisper White is cut at 3 3/4 by, wait, no, this is cut at, yeah, wait, where's it? Oh, 3 5/8 by 2 1/8. I couldn't find it. See how I was looking at this earlier? Didn't want to waste it. So I have good stamp on that side to kind of test it. All right, and I'm gonna put this on my crumb cake, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 2 1/4. But don't worry, they will be listed, all the measurements will be listed below or on my blog post. Okay, we're gonna take that. Now we're gonna put some adhesive on the back of here. And we're going to lay this down right here. Then we're gonna take our little strips here, and we've got, this strip is cut at 4 1/4 by 1 inch. And then this was cut at 3 3/4 by 3/4. And this one is cut at 1/2 inch by 3 1/4. What I'm going to do is just cut it at an angle this time to change it up a little bit. So instead of the flags on my original card, this just makes it a little bit different, okay? But I want them going all the same way. So now I'm going to take my adhesive and put on here. And we're going to go all the way up to the top of this DSP, and we're only going to leave a little bit of Whisper White showing right here. Okay. And then we'll take this crumb cake looking one. And we're going to overlap it probably about 1/4 inch. Or maybe, yeah, about 1/2 inch, I guess. It's up to you how you want to do that. And then this one, going to go right on top between the two of them, about halfway between both of them. There we go, like that. Isn't that pretty so far? I feel like that's still uneven. Yeah. Okay, then we're going to take our little circle sentiment. This is a birthday card. Okay, and we're going to put this right on top. Again, just leave a little bit of the Whisper White down here at the corner, like this, where you can see your little flags down here. Okay, and then over here, we're going to take our leaves, put a little bit of adhesive on here, kind of just put it about right there. This is just like a little accent piece. Let me see. Did I want to put, yeah, I want to put this on dimensionals too. So I'm going to put it on, put 2 little dimensionals on the side, just right here on the side, because this will be over by the leaves. Okay, and we're just gonna kind of sit like that. So add like a little accent piece, and there you go. So we have this one that I made. Where's my other one? Oh, there it is. And this is the inspiration for my sketch. Alrighty, and we are again using the Everything is Rosy product medley. I don't know why I have, that's like a tongue twister for me. But if you will, if you like the product medley, it is available to the end of May or while supplies last. And again, if you purchase it through my store, you'll be able to attend a live class with me. And we're all going to get on there and just have some fun. And you'll have all the same stuff that I have, except for maybe the inks. But you can use other inks that you have. Okay. All right, guys. Well, thanks for stopping by. Please make sure you remember to subscribe, like, and share. It really helps my channel out. And I thank you guys for coming by. And if you have any questions, let me know. Everything that I used today in the video will be listed below. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.